Hello my beautiful snacks. Hi, my name is Maggie. If you're new here, welcome to the family and welcome to yet another travel vlog. On today's episode, we're just checking out, it's currently 8:30 and you're checking out of our night hotel here in I forgot the name, and we are heading to Bangkok because we traveled all the way from the south of Thailand. Now we are heading to the north. We stopped over here for like 2 days and then now we're heading back to Bangkok. We stayed in a very beautiful place. I don't know if you guys can see how the place is. It's a beach villa here, and yeah, a little stop over for some coffee and toilet because right now it's 11:58 and we drove pretty long distance. So come with me. If you're ever in Thailand, come to the Amazon Cave. They have really nice strawberry juice and some snackies for you. So yeah. Outfit of the day check. It's giving, yeah? It's giving. Not more of a road trip, but it's giving. I like it. You know what is gonna match with some whitey. So guys, it's around 1:44 and the train arrives here at 2, so we're finally in time, because the last time in my previous video for Bangkok we came when the train had already left, so we didn't get to see how they do everything with the market and the train. So we plan to come back during this time now. So right now I want to apply some sunscreen because the sun is really showing off today and I do not want to have any pigmentation from the sun. So yeah, let's apply some sunscreen. And this is also a reminder for you guys to always protect your skin from the sun. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me, so you're going to see, so we can get to see, because we too, I did not see it the first time. The market is such a busy place because it's very touristic and everybody wants to see how everything is. Like you can see from behind and this side, and I'm just on the rail. Yeah.
One by one จริงๆไปเลยอีกซ้ายอีกซ้ายโอเคอีกแบบนี้ได้แล้วค่ะซ้ายนะ
I'm inside the line.
ซ้ายค่ะซ้ายจ้า
This is all the sign I need. So tell me, will you keep me safe when I'm alone? I'm yours. Control me, 'cause it feels so good. I don't want you going nowhere. 'Cause on the corners of your mind helps my body to unwind. Don't waste time. said you love the way I noticed how you look into my eyes right before we cross the line. The way we grind. Keep me safe in your arms. Safe in your arms. There's a warmth in your kiss. Some that goes through my you wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Make me feel something new, something.
Hours later, and we made it to Bangkok. Back again, yeah. Like when you leave the city and go to a more calm place, it feels good. But also, when you come from a calm place and come back to the city, like you get that city girl vibe already. Anyway, we managed to get here at the 137 Pillars in Bangkok, and so far so good. I really like the place. Like I really like the aesthetics in the room. They gave us some little chocolates, and you know, a girl with chocolates, yeah. So right now I'm going to, I think, prepare, just relax and see what's up, because we just got here. I think this day is going to be more relaxing one. Yeah. Anyway, tell me guys, this outfit is giving the vibes. It's giving the vibes. And you see how they make the movies, yeah? And before I forget, guys, did you see how amazing the train market is? Like, it's insane to think that that place exists. And I was expecting that the train is going to be like really fast, like not very, very fast, of course, because we don't have that, like the fast moving trains in Kenya, but a more, and it was just very, very slow, and I think it gives you time to see it and feel the energy. But like I don't know how to explain it. You guys need to come and visit here so that you can see it for yourself. I think it's here. I don't know if they have it in Vietnam, because I checked when you look at the floating market, and it's also in Vietnam. So I'm thinking also the train market can also be there. You guys should plan those trips and go and see. And there's so many tourist people, like the Chinese people, really like take the internet like to die for. They are everywhere recording. Like it gives you because most times I always feel like, oh, people are watching when you use the gadgets, but there they put the tripod everywhere and record. It boosts that feeling of vlogging. But anyway, enough talking and a little commotion for this outfit. Anyway, time for some relaxation after the long journey. So Thai oil massage for me, yes. And I've just seen from the menu that they have like a big cannabis oil.
Sure.
Okay. 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 No problem. Thank you. I just saw that they have the cannabis oil massage. This is very, very new to me. Very, very new. Anyway, let me take a quick shower, and then go for the massage. See you later, guys. I'll see you during dinner. I don't know what is, I'm just going with the flow. 1 hour later, the massage is over, so let's head over for dinner. Let's see where we're going. Morning, my beautiful people. This is the second day here in Bangkok, and we're in 137 Pillars. So I want to show you guys around with how the place looks. We're on the top area, the pool and the jacuzzi. So let me show you.
you feel something else.
Well, I was interrupted every time I tried to say good morning to you guys, but let me say it right now. Good morning, my beautiful, beautiful snacks. This is
Sla
the
linksaf en sla rechtsaf. Ondanks de grotere verkeersdrukte dan normaal is dit de beste route. Je komt aan om 11:45 's ochtends.
I guess we'll just have to go through with the chaos, yeah? Like, this is the third time I'm trying to say good morning to you guys and I'm being interrupted. But we move, yeah? Anyway, today's plan is actually a little bit, how can I call it? Well, you guys will see and then you let me know down in the comment below how you found, like, this day, the one that I'm vlogging.
Sla linksaf.
When you are with the car there, you can park and then
Okay?
you can park it still.
No. It's a problem. We need to go around finding.
Keep me safe in your arms. Safe in your arms. There's a warmth in your kiss. Some echoes through my breath. Shelter in your arms. You wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Make me feel something new, something old. You wanna know how to hold on the phone. You wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Make me feel something old. You wanna know how to hold on the phone. You wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Make me feel something old. You wanna know how to hold on the phone. You wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Make me feel something old. I'm in your arms. Make things grow. Make me feel something old. You wanna know how to hold on the phone. You wanna stay, wanna flow, wanna own. You give me life and you make things grow. Keep me safe.
Good morning, my snacks. Look at the view. Look at the view from here. Wow. This time round, we're not in a very top floor, but still the view is. Oh, can you see the train over there going? Oh. This place always amazes me. Like a train on air. Like, excuse me, when you go in the city, they have so many roads, like 4 or 5 lanes. So if you miss one turn, then you take another 20 minutes to go back to where you were. And there's one time we missed we missed a turn and we were caught by the police, so we had to pay up some little bribe, some little cash to go away. But at least they were kind enough to let us go. So anyway, today's plan, we have a little trip to a place called Pattaya in the north. I've not been there before, so it's also so exciting for me. We're going to drop off the car because we're leaving in like 2 days. Yeah, sadly the trip is almost over, but wow, I cannot even be sad or that we are leaving, because it's been an amazing time. And of course, all good things come to an end, so I'm here to embrace it all. So I already had my shower, and put on some vitamin C, some moisturizer, and I'm going to put some sunscreen later on because right now I'm heading to breakfast. I'm not going out yet, so yeah. Let me go change up and then see you guys during breakfast. Thank you.
Carrot and orange.
Yep. How dare they make something so cute to eat, huh? I can't even imagine myself eating this. But anyway, bye Ellie. You made me so happy. Oh my god, guys, I feel so bad eating this elephant. Hello my snacks, it's currently 12:30 and we already checked out from the hotel, but I'm still in the hotel's lobby toilet. It was a hectic party moment because this girl bought so many things. This girl over purchased and we had to figure out how I can manage to put everything in the luggage, but we did so, and we have a plan to go to the mall to buy more things, but most importantly to buy something for Alec. And then because we leave tonight at midnight, so we still have a long day here and have some activities at the mall, relax, have massage the last time, enjoy the food, and then head over to the airport. So today's outfit is Pookie's. Guys, like this crop top was the it, yeah? It's my favorite. I go everywhere with this. And this is the new shorties from Pookie that will be launching soon. This is my second try and like second fit, and I like how comfy it is, and it goes well with most things because it's neutral. So can't wait to show you guys like the full fit with this upper top. You guys are going to love it. Anyway, let me head out and see you guys at the mall.
Mami wata, she fine and mami wata. She got in the bar. Put down. So like a power inside, you go up. See if I can give me stamina. Wait for you for the same time, bro. Me and you at the same time. I never want to leave, you can't squeeze me, I pull up on your beach, you can't see me, Baby, you're making me the light. Make it tell your friends, say the view is good. Don't even waste time. Cause I mean, you go follow to the day we die. Don't mean why. I can't wait to make your face just smile. It's not a lie. You set my soul on fire. So many girls are bad. None of the girls are bad. So many things you've been through. Life will be the same again. same again. Never be the same again. Never be the same again. Never be the same again. Woman, tell you like the top of the baby, I'm too bad. Woman, tell you like the top of the baby. I'm ready, 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 if I need to find ready, when I'm not ready, when you're ready, ready, me and ready, ready, when you're so ready, ready, me and ready, ready, when you're so ready, ready, me and ready, ready, when you're so ready, make it come into the light. Make it tell your friends, hey, if you this guy, don't even waste time. Cause I mean, we follow to the day we die. Don't mean why, I can't wait for me.
Just from having the last massage in Thailand, and hi, and now we're heading to have dinner and then go to the airport. We already showered here at the massage place, so yeah. Guys, look at how this cookie is displayed with the ant. So cute, huh? Very, very cute.
Yes, sir. Maybe you sit one here, one here.
No problem.
Me, I never let you go. I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you what you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming.
Hello, my beautiful, beautiful people. It's like 2 days after I came back from Thailand, and guys, I'm just from doing my hair, and today they really did a very good job. Yeah, I changed places and I'm so happy with these results. Anyway, I just remembered I was editing a vlog, and I remembered I didn't end the last Bangkok vlog, so let me do it now. So thank you if you stayed this far. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button so you get a reminder every time I upload another video. Until then, toodoo!